So this question says, using the information provided and the ratios calculated, describe 8 audit risks, okay? Describe them means identify and explain them. And then explain the auditor's response to each risk. Now, there's going to be more than 8, but you'll only get marks for 8. There's 16 marks in total, so it will be 1 mark for the identification and explanation, and 1 mark for the auditor's response. Let's go over here to the opening part of the scenario. It says, it's July X5, you're an audit supervisor with the audit firm, and you're planning the audit of a new client for its year end, August X5, okay? It's a new client. Is there an audit risk? So remember, we're trying to identify and explain the risk for 1 mark. And we're thinking a new audit client, that is always an audit risk because we don't know their transactions as well. We don't know their balances very well. We don't know them very well. Our detection risk is a lot higher because we are unfamiliar with them. And that's going to be the same with every new client we take on. Not only that, we're also going to have a little bit of a worry over the opening balances, because the opening balances are last year's closing balances, and we weren't there to do our audit and assurance. So we have less assurance over the opening balances. That's what you get your 1 mark for. Next, we go and have a look at the other mark. Well, what does that mean then for the audit? How are we going to react to that as the auditor?